field of that war. We have come to dedicate a portion of that field as the final resting place for those who are here, gave their lives that the nation might live. It is altogether